Most people get this wrong. They think influencer marketing platforms are all the same, but Coley has some unique features that make it worth exploring. Today, I'll give you an honest review before you decide to use it. Coley is a platform that connects brands with content creators and micro-influencers. The key advantage is that it focuses on high-quality content for social media campaigns. Instead of paying influencers blindly, brands can review content before it's published. This ensures the final posts match the brand's vision. One surprising truth is how easy the platform makes collaboration. Coley provides campaign management tools where you can track progress, approve content, and measure results. Analytics show engagement rates, reach, and conversions, helping brands optimize campaigns over time. For small to medium businesses, the cost is reasonable compared to hiring a full-time marketing team or working with large agencies. Coley also provides guidance on content strategy, which is helpful if you're new to influencer marketing. On the downside, the platform works best for social media campaigns. If you are looking for traditional advertising or large-scale influencer campaigns with celebrities, Coley may not be ideal. Also, some users report that the selection of creators is limited in niche industries. In conclusion, Coley is a strong tool for brands seeking high-quality, manageable influencer marketing campaigns. It's not for massive celebrity campaigns, but for strategic, content-focused collaborations. It delivers value. Subscribe for more honest reviews on marketing platforms and tools to grow your brand efficiently.